Sometimes you might need to have multiple tabs open in your browser at the same time so you can do two things at once. An example of this is when you take your syllabus quiz. For some of you, that will be a new skill. Let's see how to do it. If you go to your Blackboard and you go into Assignments, Module 0, Getting Started, you'll see that one of the first entries there is the syllabus quiz. I have written instructions for how to do it, to open the syllabus quiz, and I'll demonstrate it for you now. First, we're going to go back to the Course Documents button so we can open the syllabus over there. Then we'll come back here. So I'll go over to Course Documents here on the left-hand side. Do you see? Course Documents. And up at the top is the syllabus. You see there? I need to rename that. I'll do that. When I right-click on it, I can have a choice of open in a new tab, open in a new window, and down there farther it says Save Link As. I could save it onto my flash drive if I wanted to. If yours says Save Target As, that means you're using Internet Explorer. Doesn't play well with Blackboard. Use Firefox or Chrome instead. But we want Open Link in a New Tab. So let me do that. Right-click, Open in a New Tab. And then if you look up at the top, up here, you'll see that I have two tabs open. One is Blackboard, and then another one is the syllabus for the class. If I click on that tab, you can see that I have a syllabus here with a table of contents, and if I hover my mouse over any of them, you won't be able to see the pointing finger hand shape, but you see how it kind of turned blue? If I click on it, it will take me right down to that location of the syllabus. Sometimes, then I'll have to scroll back up, or you could click the back button up there. It will go back. Sometimes you have to control click instead, but your browser will tell you if you need to do that. Now that I have this second document open, I can go back to Blackboard, and then I'll go back to the Assignments section, Module 0, Getting Started, and then I'll click on the syllabus quiz to open it. This one will open in the same tab. You see how I still have only two tabs up there, one for Blackboard, one for the syllabus. And then it says you can take this test, start it now, continue it later. Don't submit until you're done, but you can save. And then click Begin. You can have multiple attempts. Click Begin. There's no password on this. So when I click Begin, it has a set of questions here. For each question, I can save the answer as I go along, or if I just wait a few seconds, it saves automatically. Then what I do is find the question that I got, come back up to the syllabus, look in the table of contents to find out what to look for, what section to look for, go to that section and find the answer to the question. It's probably good if you at least skim the whole syllabus before you start. That will make it easier later. But you then come back and look, flip back and forth between the two, and look and see what your questions are and find the specific answers. You know, there are other assignments you might have to do where you might open a third tab and you might go to Google, for example, and search for something. It's the same procedure, except now I have 3 tabs open at the top. It's the same procedure. You can have any number open at once. Anytime you right-click, you can open in a new tab. I'll put this link there in your assignment section so you can watch it if you need to.